If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. In programming, a variable is a storage location where the actual value is stored. For example, var my number equal to 34. Okay, you can see var is a keyword that is used to make a variable. My number is a variable name. Okay, 34 is a value. As you can see, var is a keyword. Okay. If you want to store a number to a variable, we can define like this: var my number equals 34. You can also store a string to a variable. You can print the value of variable by using print function. You can also include values in strings. That means your string may contain values. Write the values in parentheses and write a backslash before the parentheses. Here I'm going to create a variable name called my name that contains a name called David. Next is your turn. Do this exercise and come back. Congratulations, you have learned how to use values in strings. Let me tell you some tips. When you use a variable, you should keep in mind that a variable must have the same type as the value you want to assign to it. You don't always have to write the type explicitly. There are two types of variable declarations: implicit and explicit declarations. The above variable declarations are in implicit. We don't specify the value type before we use. If you don't want to use an initial value, we can specify the type that we are going to use. Let's try explicit declarations. I'm going to define a variable called my number. Its type will be an integer. Okay, in the same way, we can declare string type too. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we will discuss more about variables.